We get the orientation of the bot with using the IMU sensor with the gyro and accelerometer, and we control the motor using motor driver L2910. This is reaction wheel for the balancing of the roll, and this is a normal wheel for the balancing in the pitch.
Now you can see the calibration part being done for the Uniwheel balancing robot. The IMU sensor is gathering the gyroscopic sensor data. Before the eYantra internship, I was not into the hardware stuff. I am more interested in the research stuff as well as the hardware interpretation. Like, how do we make the theory come into play with the hardware?
This eYantra summer internship program had been a boon for me. One of my fears were working on hardware. As I worked with the hardware part, I enjoyed doing that.
Previously, I was very much scared because of the control system. When in second and third year, I was having really difficulty in understanding the control systems. I never took it seriously, to be honest. But when I got here, I understood that actual spectrum of this subject. One of my favorite subject is now control systems. This feeling of learning and this feeling of continuous development and growth is ignited by the eYantra. I have very great fear in speaking some new person and getting comfortable with them. Now I can talk to anybody. I come to different labs and talk with new peoples, and I ask them what they are doing. You don't work on one project in eYantra internship. You can explore anything, any other projects, any other field you want to learn.
The sessions and the technical talks which they conducted by Kaviarya sir, those are more important for us actually. After coming here and attending those sessions, we realized there are many more problems which are need to be addressed, like sustainability. Sustainability is becoming more and more important. We haven't known anything about RTA. So getting to know about things and understanding new problems, there you can apply the engineering.
What I realized is that everything in the whole society, whether it be engineering, whether it be doctor and other professional work, our major aim is to support our country. Professor Kaviarya sir made us involved in the major problems which are present in today's world.
The things like this, I have never expected that in a technical institution that I will get to know this. This talk has helped us a lot in understanding what are the problems that we can actually solve by doing control systems, by doing engineering things. They all treat you like family. If you have any problem, they will guide you as your little brother. They will understand your pace. They will tell you according to you only. This flexibility that eYantra provides, the understanding between the staff, the project mentors and the interns. So I think this is the best thing that I've never actually found anywhere.
eYantra staff and mentors are very calm, and what questions we ask them, they always reply with a smile. eYantra, I can say it is living your dream life. To get into eYantra internship, you need to be consistent only. If you are working hard, they personally measure your performance and they call you for internship. Before eYSIP internship, I got 2-3 internships from different companies, and that are 2 good companies. But I decided to join eYSIP because the experience here I will never get a chance again to get into eYantra.
It's a spectacle for me. When I actually mount my spectacle to my head, so I see things like I have never seen before. When I came here in the first day, I saw things that I thought never existed actually. The things, the concepts, the learnings.
The most important part here is about exposure and awareness. The exposure you get here and the network that eYantra has created is massive. And the awareness you get by joining the internship program and talking to people from different parts of the country and getting to know the people who have done so many great things to the society. You don't get that kind of exposure anywhere. For that exposure and awareness, you need to fight, because you never know, you may not get the chance to get here. So fight for it.